Bingo Cache does not have one fixed storage size for every device, because the space used can change depending on your phone, app version, and stored data. By the end, you'll know how to check Bingo Cache storage usage, what can increase the space it uses, and what to do if the app is taking too much room. The easiest way to see how much space Bingo Cache uses is through your phone settings. On Android, open Settings, go to Apps, select Bingo Cache, and check the storage section. On iPhone, open Settings, go to General, then iPhone Storage, and find Bingo Cache in the app list. The number shown there includes more than the original app installation. It can also include cached files and saved app data created while you use the app. Cache helps apps load faster, but it can grow over time. If Bingo Cache is using more storage than expected, clearing the cache on Android can remove temporary files without deleting your account information. On iPhone, the available option may be different depending on the device and iOS version. Checking the storage menu helps you decide whether you need to remove and reinstall the app. Reinstalling an app can remove stored temporary files, but you should make sure your account is connected properly before doing this. Confirm your login details before deleting Bingo Cache so you can access your account again. Storage problems are not always caused by the app itself. Low phone storage, too many installed apps, and large files like photos or videos can also affect how your device performs. If Bingo Cache is running slowly, freezing, or failing to update, check your available phone storage first. Keeping enough free space can help your device install updates and run apps more smoothly. You do not need to manually manage every file inside Bingo Cache. The main steps are checking the storage amount, removing temporary data when available, and keeping your device storage organized. To summarize, Bingo Cache storage usage depends on your device and app data, not one universal size. Check your phone settings to see the exact amount, clear temporary files when needed, and verify your login before reinstalling the app. Your next step is to open your device storage settings and check how much space Bingo Cache is currently using. Subscribe for more Bingo Cache fixes and app guides.